Axxya Systems is a highly respected leader in food, diet, menus, and nutrition labeling. Our number one objective is to provide our clients with software to help them meet their nutrition data goals. In addition to offering great products, we also strive to offer the best customer service in the industry and to develop products which most satisfy our clients' needs. Our mission is to continuously create nutrient analysis tools for our ever-evolving worldwide clients, so they in turn can provide accurate and compelling information to their customers. We value our clients and want to help them reach their goals. At Axxya Systems, we help to meet your needs for reliable and comprehensive nutrition information with a full range of products under our brand, Nutritionist Pro. The Nutritionist Pro brand has been serving the food, nutrition, fitness, and academic professionals for over 4 decades, from its DOS beginnings in 1982 to the cloud versions today. We offer many modules and add-on tools in the family of the Nutritionist Pro application, including analyzing diets, recipes, and menus, or creating nutrition food labels for your packages. Our nutrition tools offer foods and nutrition guidelines from around the world, making it easy to meet your daily nutrient needs. Our team of registered dietitians and software engineers work together to create an easy-to-use application with features for quick and efficient analysis. With our software products, you can draw upon our expertise to strengthen your nutrition analysis capabilities, gain a competitive edge, and create a more positive, professional image in the eyes of your clients. Visit nutritionistpro.com to learn more about our products and company. Download our free trial and see why we think Nutritionist Pro is an essential staple for industry professionals.